My name is Razis Warren, and I'm representing the Tableau user group for Kuala Lumpur. Today, I'm going to be presenting a couple of quick tips. We're going to cover one advanced quick tip where we're going to learn how to web scrape COVID-19 statistics with Tableau Prep and Python. Then we're going to cover another beginner tip, which shows the top n rows using parameters and tables. So hopefully you find this useful, and let's get started. So basically, I already have um, TabPy running. So in order to run Python scripts, you're going to need TabPy, and that is already running. So this is my Python script that basically it's a web scraper that scrapes this particular website, which I found really updates the COVID-19 statistics really well. So for this, I'm going to be using pandas and beautiful soup. So as you can see, you can already define the function over here. And Tableau actually has this fantastic library where you can go and learn even more about Python, using Python scripts in Tableau Prep. So let's go back to the script. And you can see that in order to bring out the columns in Tableau Prep, you're going to need to write this function down, the get output schema. And okay, let's see how it all works in this very short amount of time that we have. All right, so I've actually just put a really dummy header, which is basically nothing. It's just one. Tableau has this ability to add a script, right? So add a script over here, and with that script, you can actually define the function that you're trying to bring out. And as you can see, it already web scrapes the data set, and you have all the columns right there. So basically what I'm going to do right now is just pivot it because I'm trying to bring it into Tableau as a table, and I've just done some simple cleaning over here. So okay, let's just run this workflow. Right. And actually, I cheated a little. So I've already created the workbook and put everything nicely. So I'm just going to show you that if you refresh the data, you get some stats that weren't there before, right? And obviously, if you do this tomorrow morning or the next day, it's going to update again. So for example, let's see the United States or something, right? So got none and get the oops data. All right. So as you can see, the active cases right now are at 1 million, and the controversial death figure is over there. So okay, let's next go into the beginner tip, which is going to be we're going to try and build out top n rows using parameters and tables. So the reason why I chose this as a tip is because sometimes when you're building dashboards or just using tables in Tableau, it can get really messy just scrolling through all of this data. So let's make it cleaner and much more easier for users to look at tables. All right. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a calculated field, and it's going to say show leads. So I have already created the calculation, another cheaty thing that I'm doing right now, and just gonna put that in. So basically I've created this show latest, and as you can see, show latest is basically just a a single value of 50 at the moment. So basically what it's going to do is just show 50 rows, right? And I'm going to click OK, and I'm going to put that in. So we'll just click OK for now. And, what I want to do is just compute this using table down, and then we're going to see false and true. So we'll go through. So table down basically just computes on basically the lowest level, which is right now our country and other. So as you can see, there's currently 50 rows, which is fantastic. So the next thing I want to actually do is, because right now I can show 50, and if I change this to 100, then it's going to show me the first 100 rows. Let's make it smaller, so maybe 20, and you can see that it's just 20 rows. What if I wanted to create a sort of like a slider to say maybe I want to go to the next 20 or the next 40? This is a simple parameter that just says previous and next, and it's a range of 1 to 100, right? So we'll leave it at that. And in my show latest, I am going to put this as the previous next. So basically it's going to say that it's going to create a Boolean function that it either returns true or false. And we're going to add the next one with 1, and click OK on that. And so the reason it's starting at Belize and not Afghanistan is because we are starting at 1, so it should start at 0. Alright, and let's show the parameter. And alright, so go back to 0, and we are back at the first order of countries. So right now, if I click this, then we go to the next 20, and the next 20, and the next 20. So this is a really simple trick that hopefully helps you in building some really cleaner tables, right? So I hope you enjoyed this. Thank you very much. Signing out, Rosas Warren.